Okay, this video is very short. We are only going to talk about one thing. And the reason this video is so short is because we want you to watch the whole thing. This is incredibly important to your success and happiness in lab. So we're going to discuss the role of the 1142 IA. Your IA's job, as we've told them what to do, is to inform you of necessary safety information, any hazards or difficulties in the protocols. They are supposed to guide you through tough spots in the procedure, help you troubleshoot sometimes, it's not always possible, point you in the right direction, and encourage you to work individually. We always tell them if your students, leave the lab and nobody got hurt, you pretty much did your job, like you are good. And they are supposed to help you get out on time. Your IA will not tell you what to do next. And it's not because they're mean, it's because we have told them not to tell you what to do next. You are a college student, you're in Gen Chem 2. If you read the procedure, you know what to do next. They will, say, can you show me where you are in the procedure? What was the last step you took? What do you think you need to do next? And they're not being rude when they do that. They are just doing what we've asked them to do. Our goal is to help you learn to work individually in lab and be a grown-up, So your IAs are going to help you in that way. They will not give you answers or check your answers. So I would not ask. Your IA cannot, this is not a will not, this is a cannot. They cannot tell you what you did wrong sometimes because it could literally be anything. If you go to your IA and you say, my titration didn't work, they're going to say, okay, what, did you follow the procedure? What did you do wrong? Did you leave out a step? And they may not know exactly what you did wrong because it really could have been anything. We've seen everything, like students putting the wrong solutions into burettes, forgetting the indicator, or putting water in the burettes, like all sorts of things. There's so many things that could have gone wrong. Your IA will help you troubleshoot to the best of their ability. But this isn't potions class. Your IA is not Hermione Granger. They can't just look at the mess that you've made and tell you what you did wrong. Dr. Weber and I probably couldn't either. We might figure it out a little faster, but a lot of times they can't be figured out at all. You just have to start over. Your IA cannot fix your experiment for you because, again, they may not even know what you did wrong, and it may be impossible to determine. It could be that your glassware was dirty, and so when you put your next chemicals into your glassware, some other sort of reaction occurred, and now the intended reaction will not work. It really could be anything.